Hi, hello friends. How you doing? This is your buddy StyBull. So today I'm here with another quick simple video on how to uninstall Node.js from your laptop or PC. Before starting, as you guys might already know, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment to run JavaScript applications on your standalone PC outside of web browser. So if you already have Node.js installed on your machine, you can just verify that using just typing the command or the keyword node. So if Node.js is installed, you will see this particular icon, or even you can check on the command prompt. If you go to the command prompt and if you type in the command node, if node is already installed, you will get this kind of prompt. It will give you the version and it will ask you to, it will prompt you to enter some commands. Okay, fine. So now we have confirmed that node is already installed on my PC. Let's quickly see how to uninstall it. So I'm going into control panel. So I'm using a Windows 11 machine. So in other versions of Windows 10 or Windows 7 where we do have control panel, the process is almost same. So I go to uninstall a program, locate the node.js software. So I have clicked it. I'm clicking yes to remove node.js. So now it's preparing to remove. It will take some time. Let's see. So now that you can see it is going over through uninstallation. Like I said, it will take some little more time. Okay, so we now have Node.js successfully uninstalled from a machine. You can see that Node.js icon removed from my programs. We can also confirm over here by typing Node. So right now, if I type Node, we don't see we don't see the app coming in. We can also confirm from the command prompt. So I'm going inside the command prompt. Previously, when I typed node, it directly took me into that node prompt. Now, if I typed, it says node is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this way we have successfully uninstalled node from our machine, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or queries, please feel free to drop in the comment section. See you in another useful, wonderful video. Thanks, guys.